Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do cleaning cycles on a Canon Pixma MG7753. This is nice and simple, it can be done from the printer itself, using nothing but the touchscreen you can see here. Now to get started we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this. If you're not already there, you'll have a little home icon lit that you can press to be taken here. So we need to swipe ourselves along to the right and go into Setup, which is represented by that icon. And from here we need to go into Maintenance. And in Maintenance we have cleaning and deep cleaning options. As you can guess, deep cleaning is a more thorough clean, but as your printer uses ink flushed through the printhead to improve its print quality, it will use up more ink, so I'd recommend going for cleaning as a first port of call. So, press into cleaning, yes, and it'll take your printer just a minute as the printhead within whizzes back and forth and the printer pushes that ink through that I mentioned. But once it's done, you'll be brought to a screen that looks like this. With the clean complete, I'd recommend doing the nozzle check pattern mentioned, as it's like a test page that breaks down the different colours the printer uses and lets you see the result of your clean. And from here, you can carry on doing cleans and nozzle checks until you hopefully see an improvement in your print quality. If you found this video useful, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, let us know down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.